Hey everybody, it's Colby with Kowalski Designs, and today we have an unboxing of a PYD Life Sublimation oven. Now, we do a lot of laser engraving, and over the last couple of months we've been adding sublimation items to the store here for Kowalski Designs, things that we offer. We know that sometimes logos or designs, they don't work necessarily for laser engraving, so we want to give everybody an option, a second option, which is sublimation, for, like, say, tumblers, ornaments, just all sorts of things. Just things that if it would work better with sublimation than as far as laser, you have options. So I've been using this heat press I got for free from somebody, and then I got this mug press. Now this mug press does 20 and 30 ounce cups, and the one thing that I'm having to do is I'm having to change the pressure for each different type of tumbler that I do, whether it be a 20 ounce water bottle, a 16 ounce 4-in-1, or a 20 ounce sublimation. And if I get into 40 ounces and dog bowls and pens and all sorts of different things, during my research I saw that this oven was pretty cool and worked great for a lot of different things. Now, when I did buy the oven on Amazon, it said that it came with a package, that if you bought the oven, you got this free care package that came. So let's start with that. Get into this, see what we got in here. Okay, so these are 10 by 5 inch shrink wrap, heat resistant sublimation shrink wrap. So these are what you put around the tumbler after you tape your design to it. Now these were not part of the care package. This was something else that I ordered. It looks like this is the care package. Okay, so this is the sublimation toolkit. So PD Life sublimation toolkit. So it comes with a tape measure, sublimation tape, another tape measure, and it looks like a couple of brushes. Now this, it said on Amazon it was like $19.99, but since I bought the oven, it came with it free. That's cool. So we have this couple of tape measures, little thing of tape. See what these are. I think these are for taping around the cup to see what the measurement is. Oh, that's cool. So this goes in here. I guess you put this around and it locks it in, and you can tell the diameter. Oh, and it snaps right back in there. The diameter of the cup, so you know your measurements. This is another one. In a soft case kind of thing. So it's PD Life right there. Nice. So these can up, and then you squeeze right there and it comes back in. Got some blue tape. I did actually just buy a new tape dispenser. I was using a single one, and so I got one of these, and then I got some thicker tape to go on here. And thank you card and 2 brushes. Now the brushes, I believe, are they sell transfer paper that you just wet and it wraps around the cup or the tumbler, and then you can heat press it that way. So that's kind of cool. Let's get this out of here, and let's get this open. Sublimation oven. And this weekend we are going to be running a contest on Kowalski Designs. We're going to be giving away a free sublimation tumbler, so be on the lookout for that. Ooh, look at that. We got a box and a box. Let's see if we can just open this. That's cool. So we got another toolkit that came in here. Let's see what's in the second toolkit. I didn't know that this was going to be in there. So we got some more tape. We got another, a thank you. Okay, so in here we have a sublimation tape, a heat resistant glove, binder clips, and some shrink wrap. So that's cool. This is cool. This is kind of like I have silicone gloves that I use for barbecue that are heat resistant. That's what this kind of looks like. Except this has the pot holder kind of material on it. Kind of like a Smurf. Alright, so we got that. That's cool. Next to glove, some more tape. Oh, this is a giant binder clip. Wow. That's cool. And looks like some different size bags. Looks like 3 different sizes. Did it say in here? 3 sizes, 5 pieces of each. Cool. So we got some extra stuff. Freebies are always great. Yeah, let's put that over there. Alright, we have some styrofoam on top. Let's pull the styrofoam. There's the power cord. There's the oven. And there's more stuff here in the bottom. Styrofoam out. Oh, looks like we got another glove. So here is the user manual, another pot holder type glove, and the mesh basket. Put this right in here. Put that in there. Alright, we'll put that right there for now. Put this over here with the other one. So we've got, let's see here, some tape on the side. It's all taped up so it doesn't come out. Nothing can fly open. There's shipping. It's nicely packaged. So up here it's like a smooth, shiny metal, but then here on the door it's kind of got like a texture. That's kind of nice. It's got some packing material in here, keep everything nice and tight. Please take out the separator before use. So this must be the separator. Please take out separator before use. And we got this. Let's get that off of there. So here's the unit. Here's the back. There's a pretty good power cord. It's grounded. Got feet. As you can see, it's got rubber feet here. So this will just sit back there. actually. I wonder. There you go. If you set it back too far, this will hit on the table. And it doesn't open as wide. But if you just bring it up a little bit, you can put it all the way down. Let's get this in. So there's that basket position. And there's that basket position. So there's two different positions for the basket. Alright. So I think that does it for the unboxing. Everything looks great. Have to read where I put this separator. So it probably goes in between one of the layers. Now, one thing that I didn't have to do before with the press is you would just wrap your cup and then wrap it in parchment paper. I put this in here because they say you don't heat the press up without a cup in there. But with this new one of the things you have to do is you have to shrink wrap the tumbler and use a heat gun. I have one from Harbor Freight, but it doesn't really stand anywhere. Like if you set it down, it kind of goes like that, and the heat part will touch things. So this, I have all Ryobi tools, so this was no problem getting a battery for this, but that will be for heating my shrink wrap. And it actually came with a couple of different attachments. Not really needed. But so that's that. Alright, we'll be back when I use it for the first time. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that way you'll know when I use this and you'll see what I think about it. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.